On the off chance that you're searching for Theta organization cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Theta organization Theta will go from now on, we will break down the past costs of Theta organization Theta and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is $219 and Theta is right now positioned #50 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Theta organization is 1,000 with a market cap of $2,187,768,802. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Theta organization's cost has shown a decent increment of 8.26% as of now. Theta organization is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Theta is down to nearly 2.6% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have yet. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Theta organization value expectation adding machine. Our Theta forecast number cruncher utilizes progress calculations and AI models investigate a huge swath of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a complete expectation of Theta organization. Essentially input your ideal time period and see the possible anticipated worth of Theta organization. Our number cruncher will produce an exhaustive rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. We anticipate future Theta organization cost expectations Theta estimate by applying profound man-made brain power helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Theta organization. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Theta coin which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Theta organization market cap, Theta organization volume and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Theta organization value forecast outline. The negative cost expectation for Theta organization Theta in 2025 is $3.89, with a likely high of $4.68. Long-haul examination recommends that Theta organization cost might actually flood to $2,305 by 2050. As of the most recent update, Theta organization is exchanging at around $2.19. The typical extended cost for Theta organization in 2030 is supposed to be $25.42, with expected fluctuation somewhere in the range of $24.54 and $30.18. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Theta organization in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $1,791 mark. Theta organization value forecast 2024. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $63 in 2024. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.98 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.73 all through 2024. Theta organization value forecast 2025. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Theta organization is supposed to reach at least value worth of $3.89. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4.68 with the typical worth of $4,000. Theta value estimate for 2026. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $5.29 in 2026. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $6.64 with the typical exchanging cost of $5.49 all through 2026. Theta organization Theta value forecast 2027. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2027, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $7.86. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $9.03 with the typical exchanging cost of $8.13. Theta organization value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2028, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at least degree of $11.52. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $13.95 with the typical exchanging cost of $11.93. Theta organization value forecast 2029. Theta organization cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $17.7 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 2021 with the typical estimate cost of $17.67. Theta organization Theta value forecast 2030. Theta organization cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $24.54 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $30.18 with the typical conjectured cost of $25.42. Theta organization value gauge 2031. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $37.76 in 2031. The Theta organization cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $43.07 with the typical cost of $38.78 all through 2031. Theta organization Theta value forecast 2032. The cost of one Theta organization is supposed to reach at any rate level of $56.46 in 2032. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $66.22 with the typical cost of $58.01 all through 2032. Theta organization value forecast 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2033 the cost of Theta organization is estimated to be at around a base worth of $80.58. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $98.06 with a typical exchanging worth of $83.48 in USD. Theta organization value gauge 2040. Inspecting authentic execution gives setting, yet it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Theta organization is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1,456. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1 to be $791 with a typical worth of $1,545. Theta value estimate for 2050. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or businesses can contribute essentially to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Theta organization cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $1,977 and can reach as high as $2,305 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $2.81. Theta organization value conjecture facts. How high could Theta at any point organize go? The typical cost of Theta organization Theta could go to $0.73 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $11.93 mark. What is the eventual fate of Theta organization? The fate of Theta organization is profoundly subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Theta, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right methodology. This kind of venture isn't appropriate for those with a hilter-kilter risk profile. Nonetheless, still a phenomenal speculation for those